Okay, today's video is based on converting text to speech using Python. So let's get started. We are in our computer screen right now. So the module we need is our pyttsx3 version 3 module. To install it, you need to type in your terminal pip install and after that pyttsx3. You don't have to remember this name, just think that this is py and this t means text, this t means to, and this s means speech. So pyttext to speech, and this is version 3. Okay, now hit on enter. After it gets installed in your system, you need to simply import it in your project. So import pyttext to speech version 3, then make a variable engine equals to pyttext to speech version 3 dot initialize dot init. Okay, now give a parenthesis and hit on enter. After that you need to type engine.say. Okay, after engine.say you need to type here the text you want this pyttext to speech version 3 to say. For example, writing here have a nice day. Okay, and after that engine dot run and wait, and then give a parenthesis. After that click on the run button.
Have a nice day.
You heard it, it said have a nice day. It's really amazing. So this is how you can convert text to speech using Python. Now I have my automate Google Meet using Python video on my left and browser using Python video on my right. Choose which one you want to see fast.